Looking for a creative way to celebrate Halloween? Grab your paintbrushes. Canvas art is the perfect mix of spooky and stylish. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned DIY artist, Halloween paintings let you decorate with personal flair. Let's explore some easy and eye-catching canvas painting ideas to haunt your walls with charm. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a simple Halloween canvas painting to start with? Paint a black silhouette of a haunted house against a glowing orange sunset. Add bats, a crescent moon, and spooky trees. It's dramatic, beginner-friendly, and easy to customize. Starting your spooky art? Like this if haunted houses are your jam. What's a good family or group painting idea? Divide one big scene into multiple small canvases. Paint a pumpkin patch, ghost parade, or spooky forest. Each person paints a section, then they all hang together. Family art night? Like this if you're painting with your crew. What's a fun witch-themed canvas idea? Try a witch silhouette flying across the moon with stars around her. You can also paint a bubbling cauldron or just her striped legs with pointy shoes sticking up. Feeling witchy? Like this if your canvas is ready to fly. What are some abstract Halloween painting ideas? Use dripping paint in black and orange or layered brushstrokes to create spooky textures. Add bold outlines of moons, eyes, or skulls for an edgy, modern look. Abstract and eerie? Like this if you love making bold strokes. What about a minimalist Halloween painting? Try black line drawings on a white or orange background. Think of ghost outlines, skeleton hands, or simple pumpkins. Minimal designs still pack a spooky punch. Less is more. Tap like if you love sleek Halloween art. How do I paint a spooky forest or graveyard scene? Use black silhouettes of trees with twisting branches and crooked tombstones. Add fog effects with white dry brushing and maybe a pair of glowing eyes. Forest of frights? Like this if your brush is heading into the woods. How do I paint a pumpkin patch at night? Paint glowing pumpkins sitting in tall grass under a dark sky. Add candlelit faces or leave them uncarved. Use warm tones like orange and yellow against cool blues. Loving the patch vibes? Tap like if pumpkins are your favorite. How can I paint a Halloween quote on canvas? Use phrases like trick or treat, spooky vibes, or eat, drink, and be scary. Add decorative elements like cobwebs, skulls, or dripping letters for extra flair. Word art wizard? Like this if you're painting your favorite phrases. Can I recreate Halloween movie scenes on canvas? Definitely. Try silhouettes or stylized scenes from Hocus Pocus, Beetlejuice, or The Nightmare Before Christmas. Use color schemes and props that hint at the film. Movie lover? Like this if you're painting your spooky favorites. Can I paint a ghost scene on canvas? Yes, try a group of cute or floating ghosts over a purple background. Add stars, tombstones, or little boo signs. This makes for a fun and playful Halloween display. Feeling ghostly? Like this if you're adding friendly frights. Can I do a glow-in-the-dark canvas painting? Yes. Use glow-in-the-dark acrylics to outline ghosts, eyes, or stars. Your art will light up in the dark and add a surprise element to your Halloween decor. Into glowing magic? Like this if you're painting with light. Can I create a cute Halloween animal painting? Absolutely. Paint black cats, owls with witch hats, or bats hanging upside down. Add pumpkins or moons for context. Use bold lines and bright colors for cartoon charm. Animal lover? Like this if spooky cute is your art style. Halloween canvas painting lets you unleash creativity, decorate your space, and celebrate the spooky season your way. Whether you go cute, creepy, or classic, your brush can bring it all to life. Inspired to create? Like and stay tuned for more DIY holiday ideas.